In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to is it possible to add to cart on Stockx 2025. Step by step. Let's clear up the big question first. Stockx doesn't use a traditional shopping cart the way many online stores do. Instead, when you're ready to buy, you go straight to checkout for that single item. So if you're looking for an add to cart button, you won't find one. What you will find is a fast, streamlined buy now flow designed for one purchase at a time. Here's how it works from start to finish. First, go to stockx.com, use the search bar to find the exact item you want: sneakers, streetwear, electronics, or collectibles. Make sure you're on the correct product page, since many items have variations by colorway or edition. Then select your size if the item comes in different sizes. On StockX, prices can change by size, so the total will update based on the size you choose. Take a moment to review the listing details, including the current lowest ask and recent sales, so you understand the market price you're about to pay. Next, click Buy Now. This immediately opens the checkout screen with a clear order summary. Here you can review the item price, the StockX transaction fee, shipping costs, and any taxes that apply in your region. The total you see here is the full amount you'll pay. Because there's no cart, you can't save items up for later or bundle multiple products into one checkout. If you want more than one item, you'll repeat this process for each purchase. That's normal for StockX and helps keep the marketplace fast and transparent. When everything looks right, complete checkout. Choose your payment method from the available options in your region, then confirm the order. Double check your shipping address and make sure your payment details are accurate to avoid delays. Once you confirm, the order is placed instantly. StockX will connect you with a seller at the current ask, and the seller will ship the item to StockX for verification. After authentication, your item is sent to you, and you'll get tracking updates along the way. A few quick tips to finish. Always verify the size and model before you click Buy Now, since orders are typically final. Expect fees and taxes to vary by location. And remember, no cart means one purchase per checkout. Simple, fast, and designed for a live market. That's it. You've just learned exactly how buying works on StockX without a cart. From